Hello, magandang araw. Narito tayo ngayon sa Physiologics Physical Therapy. At tingnan natin ang kanilang clinic sa loob. Ma'am,
Yeah,
let's
come
go.
on in. Yeah.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo.
So ito ma'am, anong part?
Ito naman yung reception area namin. Malit lang, but it's very functional na ginagamit natin. So we have the computer, fax, kasi paperless na kami. Everything is online, so we usually do it digital. So even yung charting, even everything, yung mga fax, everything is online.
Ayan, so sige po, ano pa po yung mga iba pa dito na? No?
So here we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 closed room for assessment. And then we also have like 5 curtain rooms para sa mga treatment. So ito yung decompression machine na ginagamit namin para sa cervical decompression or lumbar decompression. Usually indicated ito para sa mga may radiculopathy, mga low back pain, tapos meron silang numbness, tingling sensations sa mga legs nila kapag merong mga involvement ng mga spinal nerves. So same goes sa cervical kapag may mga problema sila sa arms nila. Usually, ayan yung lagi nila kinocomplain, nagnanumb or nagtitingling sensation or weakness ng arm. Usually, ito yung machine na ginagamit namin para sa kanila. This machine is what you call ultrasound machine. Bali, ginagamit sa deep heating modalities. Etong brand na to, it's like one of the top of the line na ginagamit ng mga physio clinic kasi talagang it can penetrate deep up to the bone. So kung halimbawang meron kang injury and you need to do kind of like a traditional type of recovery, kumbaga hindi mo naman kasi mapupuwersa, di ba? So ultrasound is one of our go-to. Okay, same goes, same brand din yung ginagamit namin para sa IFC machine. This is a versatile machine or modalities na ginagamit namin to help with pain, to help to accelerate healing. This one is a shockwave therapy machine. So ito yung ginagamit namin usually kung halimbawa, for example, meron kang plantar fasciitis or any tendinosis, tendinopathy. Ito yung ginagamit para ma-accelerate yung healing. So ginagamit din siya for trigger points, things like that. Very useful machine that we use, and then this machine also is one of the top of the line. So, ito naman yung small working area namin na kung saan nilalagay namin yung hot compress, yung mga tensor machine, at saka some of the tools na ginagamit namin tulad ng sports tape, and then yung mga kinesio tape na usually nakikita ng mga tao kapag meron silang mga injury so that they can still play sports even though they have an injury. It's just a, cozy little physio clinic na inaano namin kasi satellite lang naman kasi siya eh. So yung satellite, so say for example, meron kang problema. You came to see us. And then talagang there are times na hindi talaga mare-resolve. At least we have yung aming main office wherein we have help from other doctors. So we don't just leave you hanging. Kasi ang problema natin dito sa Alberta is how to get into the specialist. So we have the access for that one. So even though you have a family doctor, ang problem is they have to line up. Yes, we can refer internal referral to see neurologists, a physiatrist, which is the sports doctor. And then we have, we also cater yung mga injection na tinatawag. Ayan yung mga things na hindi alam ng iba na we have like pain management team that we conduct. We have like ablation, we have x-ray, we have imaging done. Doon nga lang sa Windermere location.
Doon sa main office ninyo po?
Sa main office yon. Pero dito, these are all exclusive for physio. Kasi ang nangyayari, we work as a team. It's a multidisciplinary team wherein we can refer you to wherever. So, ang biggest problem na na-encounter ng mga kababayan natin at saka ng mga ibang Canadian is like how to get into the door ng mga specialist.
Oh.
Yes. So say for example, neuro. You need to have a neuro, but even though your doctor refer you to a neurologist, but they will stop you kasi specialist sila, it will take a year or two to be seen by a
Mhm.
neurologist.
Mhm.
But for us, we have internal referrals. We still have to line up, but it's not the same as 1 year or 2 years. Kasi
Kumbaga sa ano,
may
mas
internal-
napabilis.
Exactly. Exactly.
Mm.
So that's one of the advantage. So we try our best kasi may hierarchy eh. So kailangan we have to try the physio first and we exhaust everything to see kung mapapagaling natin yung pasyente. May mga time talaga na hindi, but we need to resort to medication. We have to resort to a doctor. Ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, we don't leave our patient hanging. Kasi
Mhm.
ayun ang biggest concern nila is just like, okay, tapos na ako ng physio, what now? Right? So at
Mm.
least us, if we cannot do, kasi you can just do as much, right? But if na-exhaust mo na lahat, then there's somebody who's gonna look after you and will redirect you which area are you supposed to go para ultimately mapagaling natin yung pasyente, makater natin kung ano yung dapat para sa kanila.
Ganun po ba?
Ganun
So,
siya.
mas maganda po pala yung ganun kasi mas naaalagaan yung ating mga customers na mas, kumbaga sa ano, mas napapadali siya, di ba?
Exactly. Kasi ang nangyayari, nawawala sila sa system. Kasi ang HS, it's so big, but the problem is, nawawala sila eh. Kumbaga, hindi nila alam kung saan sila pupunta. Especially kung hindi ka naman talaga, kung wala kang family doctor. Especially kung wala ka talaga wala kang alam kung paano gagawin. Kami ang magre-redirect sa'yo kung paano ang gagawin. Kasi sometimes, kami yung yung first person na nakikita nila aside sa family doctor. Kami yung nakikita nila palagi weekly. And then napapansin namin yung mga sign and symptoms that we don't just disregard. So if we notice that this person have something, then we have to write a referral to a specialist wherein they can look after us.
Yun.
Yun.
Napakaganda po pala ng sistema ang ginawa ninyo.
Oh yes,
Kumbaga sa
definitely.
mas unique siya kaysa sa ibang sistema.
Exactly.
Kasi mostly nga, katulad nga, nahahang yung ibang mga tao sa isang bagay na nagtatagal yung mga appointments. So,
Yes.
baka mamaya magaling na bago pa siya ma-therapy.
Exactly.
At least dito sa inyo,
Yeah.
na-therapy nyo siya ng mas maayos, hindi siya nahihirapan na magpabukulit ng appointment.
Yes.
Diba?
Aside from that, kapag ang doctor nag-refer sa amin, we always acknowledge na, hey, na-receive namin yung referral from you, and then we always write a PT report para alam nila asan na yung progression ng pasyente. Kasi hindi lang we take, but we also report. That
Para
is how-
updated po sila.
Of
Para
course.
pag halimbawa, nag-follow up, check up yung pasyente, meron siyang report na maiibigay. Kung ano
Exactly.
na ang nangyayari.
Yeah, they don't need to say anything. There's already a report. So that's how we do it. We fax things, we report things, and then if they need something for their job, then we fill up the form. That is how it used to be done.
Yun.
Mhm.
Napakaganda. So, yan.
Yeah.
Sa mga kababayan po natin na naghahanap ng ganitong klase ng mga serbisyo, ano po yung masasabi ninyo?
Well, nandito lang kami sa Physiologics Parsons, and we're very happy and pleased to tell you guys that we are open. They can always walk in. And then we're open Monday to Saturday. Ang Monday schedule natin is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then Tuesday and Thursday is 12 to 8. We intentionally put it at the later end to cater sa mga nagtatrabaho naman ng mga kababayan natin, and then Saturday as well. So we open from 9 to 2.
Ayun. Maraming salamat, guys. So, ayan na. Kung may mga problema kayo sa Physio, andito na ang
Andito lang kami.
Physiologics.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo.